Today we will demonstrate how to install the Universal Adjustable Seat Base, a fully adjustable mounting solution for non-standard fleet vehicles. The width and height of the base are adjustable to fit a variety of vehicles. The base has also been designed with mounting holes at either end to accommodate both right and left-hand drivers, making this base a truly universal solution. To check the compatibility of the Universal Adjustable Seat Base with your vehicle, refer to the product sheet located at Gamber-Johnson.com. Before beginning installation into the vehicle, adjust the base to the seat rail width and loosely tighten the bolts. Then attach the lower pole to the base with the supplied hardware. Next, remove the front OEM seat bolts and loosen the back bolts. Slide the base between the seat rail and the seat rail frame. Adjust the width as needed. Reinsert the OEM seat bolts, tightening down the front and back, then tighten the adjustment bolts on the base. For added stability on the pedestal solution, adjust the stabilizer foot until it sits flat on the vehicle floor and tighten the bolts. The stabilizer foot can be moved to the left side of the base to accommodate right-hand drivers. The Universal Adjustable Seat Base can also be utilized upside down in vehicles with short seat rail frames. For a complete mounting solution for laptops and devices, attach a Gamber-Johnson upper pole and mongoose motion attachment of your choice. To learn more about our in-vehicle mounting solutions, visit our website at www.Gamber-Johnson.com.